Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I had a lot of fun this weekend. I got to go to a Braves game, so that was really exciting. And we won, so that was really awesome. Anyway, I had to go back to Hobby Lobby. I had a couple of friends asking me to look for stuff for them, and I didn't really have too much luck for them, but I was able to find a few more things, so I wanted to come back on and share what I picked up. I think that some of the Hobby Lobbies are still marking things down, and then some Hobby Lobbies haven't even started yet. So again, just be patient if they haven't started. Okay, so what I picked up was some tulle. I can't remember who I was watching, but somebody I was watching hauled some tulle that was on clearance, and I was like, oh wow, like when I saw the tulle, it was 50% off, but I didn't see any on clearance. So when I went back, I did find a couple. So this is one that I found, and it's kind of like pink felt, and it has like glitter on it. And I thought this would be super cute packaging for Valentine's or just for Happy Mail. So really, really pretty. And it was only $1.49. And I already took the packaging off, but it was the same price as this one. And this one again was $1.49. And I thought this was really pretty. It's yellow, but it has like these beads on it. So they're like iridescent, like crystals, like yellow and like a blingy color. Anyway, I just thought that was really pretty. So I picked that one up as well. And then I picked up this glitter dot organza, and it was 50% off. It wasn't on, it was not on clearance, but I thought that was really pretty. And I think I've picked this up before, but I just went ahead and picked up another one. Moving along, I did find some eyelash trim, and it was also on clearance, and it was $1.74. And this is going to be really perfect for Halloween projects, and that's why I picked it up. And it's so much. You get so much of it. So I'll definitely be gifting some for Halloween swaps. All right, moving along, I did pick up a couple of washi tapes, and I really loved these four right here. I've picked these diamonds up before, but I figured I'd pick them up again because I can gift them. And then I didn't have this one, and I really love the little wedding rings, but I especially love the little tiny hearts on this one with it's like pink and teal. So super pretty. So I'm really happy with those finds right there. I did pick up some more ribbon. I picked up this, this trim, which is I think just the Hobby Lobby brand, and it's a gold. I needed some more of that, so I picked up some more of this ribbon. And then I also picked up this American Craft sewing ribbon. It's glitter ribbon, and I've picked this up before. I'm sure I have it somewhere in my scrapbook dungeon. I just couldn't find it, so I bought another one. So yeah, picked that up, and the ribbon was 50% off when I purchased it. And then I did get a few more dies. I did pick up this one right here because I saw Bona showed that she had picked this one up, and I was like, oh, I know she's gonna make something fabulous with it. And I went back, and it was actually still there, so I went ahead and grabbed it, and it was only $3.24. So really, really pretty, and I'm glad I picked it up. I did pick up this Jen Long framelits. It has the dies and then the stamps. Love you tons, and I thought that was super cute, and it was only $3.24. I just couldn't pass this up, and I figured I could use this saying right here with elephants as well. So you know, I was trying to think outside of the box, like what else I could use it for, not just this little guy right here. So that's why I went ahead and picked up this one. And then I actually picked up another one, and I'm actually going to give it away. So if you guys leave me a comment with the word, what should I say? Leave the word tons in your comment, some kind of funny way if you can, and I'll enter you in to win this stamp and die set just for fun. Okay, I also picked up this set right here, and it's a set of tractors. It's spellbinders, dies. I'll show you what they look like. They're a pretty nice size. And some of you may or may not know, but my husband is a builder, and he's in the contracting business, and I figured I could use these for like thank yous to his customers, and I definitely could get some use out of these, so I picked those up. So I'm really happy with that find right there. I did pick up this princess. Now this one was not in the first store I went in, but the second store I went in had this one, so I went ahead and picked her up, and she was $3.74 on clearance. And I have a lot of princess themed paper and stuff, so I went ahead and just picked it up because you can always do princess themed projects. So this was a good die to have in the stash, so I picked this one up. And then I also picked up the carriage, which was not in the first store I went into, and I thought that was really, really pretty. And my friend Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, I think she has some ties similar to this, and she always has amazing projects. I'll have to go back through her videos, but I just went ahead and picked this carriage up as well. Really, really pretty. And then I also picked up this Thinlit, and it's 10 dies, and they're the envelope liners. And I did pick up two. I picked up one for myself and one for a friend. And what I liked about it was that it does fit an A2 size card, and then it also fits, there's also another option for a smaller card. Let me just see, it says on here, where does it say it? Oh my goodness. Oh, A2, here it is right here, you guys. So it works with A2, and then it also creates a mini card, so 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to create this style of envelope because I've never created this kind before, but I figured I could figure it out. So that's why I went ahead and picked it up. And I think it's just like, you know, it's a fun die set. And then it also comes with all these little words. So you can also use those in, you know, different projects. So this is gonna be a fun set to play with. All right, moving along, I did find one of these, which I plan on gifting, and I just thought that was really cute, and I've picked this up a few times before. And then I did pick up this stamp and die set, and I just thought it was super cute, and I especially love this little saying right here that says free hugs. I couldn't pass this up, you guys. So I just went ahead and picked it up, and it was only $3.24. And then last but not least, well, actually I have a couple more things. I picked up these bows. They were $1.74. I thought those were really pretty. I did find some of the storage. So I got one of these storage boxes. I actually got two, and they're gold on the inside. And there it is. It was $2.49, and it does fit 12 by 12 paper. So I thought that was really nice. And then you could also label it if you wanted to. And then I did pick up this sheet of glitter paper cardstock. It was 50% off, but it's by the Paper Studios. And then I did pick up one storage box, and that's all they had left. And it's a 12 by 12 storage box, and it has the polka dot and then the gold on the top. And I thought that was really nice. So pick that up. So that is my second Hobby Lobby clearance run. I think I'm done for a while shopping. Don't hold me to that. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.